The airport's terminal expansion integrates public art installations that embody the region's spirit, offering travelers a lively introduction to local culture and establishing the airport as a distinctive entryway to the locale. The interior design, using a coastal color palette, blends modern elements with regional charm. Wainscoting, wrought iron accents, and rocking chairs contribute to the warm, relaxed aesthetic. The three-toned field design is accented with intricate waterjet-cut artwork crafted by the Terrazzo Contractor. A compass rose and 2 terrazzo medallions, designed by local artists, enhance the terminal's unique character. A vivid 9-color terrazzo Venus Flytrap, native only to the local area, greets passengers at the entry. A Loggerhead sea turtle Labyrinth in 3 colors anchors the terminal, with a brass waterjet-cut baby turtle at its center, symbolizing the turtle's journey to the ocean. Seashell aggregates in the terrazzo mix evoke the sand and sea, further connecting the design to its coastal surroundings. Completed in phases, this installation showcases exceptional precision and artistry, leaving a lasting impression of the region's natural beauty. For a superlative job at the Wilmington International Airport, congratulations to the David Allen Company of Raleigh, North Carolina.